The withdrawal method is a contraceptive technique that involves the withdrawal of the penis from the vagina prior to ejaculation. When used correctly, it can be an effective way to prevent pregnancy. However, it's important to talk to your partner about it and make sure both of you are on the same page. When it comes to talking about contraception, it can be an awkward conversation to have. But the conversation is important, especially if you're considering the withdrawal method. Here are a few tips to help you break the ice and get the conversation started. Be honest. Explain why you're considering the withdrawal method and why it makes sense for both of you. Be considerate. Respect your partner's opinion and listen to their concerns. Be realistic. Talk about the pros and cons of the withdrawal method so you can make an informed decision together. Once the conversation has started, it's important to make sure both of you feel comfortable with the decision. Here are some tips to help make sure you have an honest and open discussion. Be willing to compromise. Discuss different methods and make sure both of you are in agreement about the one you'll use. Be clear about expectations. Talk about how you'll both be responsible for contraception and make sure you're both on the same page. Be open to change. If either of you is not comfortable with the withdrawal method, be open to trying something else. When it comes to contraception, it's important to have an honest and open conversation with your partner. Talking about the withdrawal method can be awkward, but it's an important discussion to have if you're considering using it. By being honest, considerate, and realistic, you can make sure you're comfortable with the decision and know that both of you are on the same page.